Chapizi.
Sawara iki.
Zalanda so. Okay. Gosh. 1 is 2. Skoko. Stamo kudunato. Mission chalos koko. Tula mabota. Tubadi kodo. Snoko noko. Ay onoroko. Yo snoko.
All right, guys. Good evening, wherever you are in the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So yeah, this is the Bitcoin chart. This is the Bitcoin chart because this is one of the like cleanest price action I have traded in a while. So this is the Bitcoin chart right now. This is the 1 hour time frame Bitcoin chart. Let me go to the daily time frame because I think almost I think the whole life section we have had, I always talk about Bitcoin. The whole life section we have had, I've always talked about Bitcoin. The whole life sections. Now this is the daily time frame. Daily closes like this, trust me, we are going to see a surge to about 82k, 83k. I've told you guys on the weekly time frame, this is what Bitcoin is already doing. It's bouncing from this local resistance here and support here at around 59k, and this place I added my fair value gap now at around 82,800 is where Bitcoin is going. As you can see, I always talk about Bitcoin, so if you're always on my live section, you see I always analyze Bitcoin. So this is what I'm expecting on Bitcoin right now. Once we get to 82k, 83k and reject, then we are going to see 46k, 49k on Bitcoin. So the daily so far, if you go to the daily time frame, you see that the daily is closing well. If the daily closes like this, then we are going to see probably a little pullback into this place. a little pullback into this place, then a good buy to around 82 83k zone before selling. So this is what I have fractured on BTC on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the 4 hours. 4 hours is looking very good. Now this is how I caught the entry on Bitcoin that we had earlier. So I was awake during the Asian section and I saw that Bitcoin is currently just moving. If you see this, my red trend line is just respecting the trend line. You saw how I draw the trend line, so I saw that the market is giving them lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. So I was like, okay, this thing is on the trendy market and is ready to break out. So since it's respecting this particular trend line, broke out here, got the fair value gap here. I did not take this entry at this particular first place I marked out here, because this particular place I did not take this particular trade because I was not paying attention around that yesterday. So this early morning that I was just observing the market, you can see how beautiful. Gave us a break of structure here. Market closed very solid after that break of structure, then gave me a fair value gap here. The market dipped into the fair value gap and that was a good buy. You understand? So how I got my own entry was around 30 minutes time frame. I saw this beautiful fair value gap here. After mitigating this particular fair value gap, I saw another fair value gap here. And this was when I took that particular trade. Was when I took this trade and it gave us a very, very, very good RR here. So this is how I got this particular. So I'm going to do a breakdown on it and I'll post the video on YouTube. I'll give you a breakdown on the video and probably post on Twitter as well. I think that's what I will just do this weekend, give you a breakdown on the video and post it online. So yeah, that's how I got this particular trade and it has been slick. So on gold, gold, we had a couple of buys on gold and I told you guys to close before we had that huge dump. So let's analyze gold from the daily time frame and see what gold is currently doing. If I can get just one good trade again before today, if I can get a very good trade today, I think I'm gonna call it a week. Trust me. So this is good on the daily time frame. We are currently bouncing from a daily fair value gap. You can see the daily fair value gap where we are bouncing from, or some of you that trade other block, you can see we are currently bouncing from this particular key level here, which is more like an order block. So this is where we are bouncing from, coupled with the fact that we have a fair value gap around here as well. So there's every tendency and there's every reason why the market is bouncing from here. So remember, we still have previous all-time heights to capture, and also from the daily time frame you can see that gold is respecting structure here as well. It has not broken structure, so I don't have any reason to sell gold now because it's not giving me what is this on my screen, man? Sorry guys. Sorry guys, I don't know what's happening. A moment. I don't understand what's happening. I don't know why that thing came up and okay, good. So like I was saying, this is the daily time frame and you can see that gold is also, you can see gold is currently expecting this particular trend line here as well. This bullish trend line, it has not broken or closed below that trend line, so that's why I'm bullish. I'm not bearish on gold right now because structure on daily is still holding very intact, as you can see on my screen. Structure is only, if I remove this fair value gap and this, you can see that structure is holding intact. But here structure is holding and it's not bearish yet, so there's no reason for me to sell gold. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So I don't have any reason to sell gold right now. 4-hour time frame, this particular structure is still holding too. Let's dip down to the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour time frame on gold. This is 1 hour on gold. 45 minutes. I think I was seeing an entry here on the 45 minutes time frame earlier. So this is 45 minutes on gold. I might still dump because currently the structure is showing that we are currently reacting from a particular key level here, and I know that if I go down to lower time frame, there should be a fair value gap there, either on the 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame. That's why the market is rejecting there. Okay, you see, I'm very sure there's a fair value gap here, like I said, because there's a reason why the market is rejecting from that particular zone. So this is the fair value gap on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that's why we are rejecting. So there's every possibility that we are coming back to this particular low at around 5,000 per ounce on gold. So for gold, I'll just stay neutral right now, because even on the daily time frame, it has given me its overall structure is bullish. If I want to really trade it, I'll be looking for buys. I think buyers will be on the safer side than sellers, I'll be very honest. And daily will be closing very soon. If daily closes very soon, we are having a daily fair value gap here. We're having a daily fair value gap here once daily closes, and we're also having a bullish fair value gap here. And I told you some cases, I don't like trading the market. I don't like trading market like this, because right now it's caught in it has caught itself in between two ranging zone now. You understand? So if I want to skip the buys, if I want to probably skip good, I'll be buying. I will not be selling. Trust me, I'll be buying from this low, particularly here. So let's see how it goes. If I see any entry on buys, I will update you guys. I wanted to show you guys another entry I saw on BTC that we might be taking very soon on the 1 hour time frame. I told you guys that BTC is still very bullish. So on the 2 hours time frame, this is a fair value gap on BTC. Here you can see it has broken structure. There's a 2 hour fair value gap here that the market will come to mitigate very soon. Yeah, so I'm expecting the market to fill 50% of this fair value gap out. 72k zone and take us all the way to at least 78k to 82,000 zone. This is what I'm seeing on BTC. So you can go to your chart and check. I don't think it's coming to this low. There's also the fair value gap here, but I'm sorry to disappoint you. We have broken out. I don't think we are coming here again. I don't think we are coming to this zone here again. So I'll be waiting for BTC at 72,100. If I see it there, I'll share my entry in the channel. I think that's the only clear setup I'm seeing currently now. I'm not looking at this. I'm not looking at these other pairs because they are very, very slow, and it has been ranging. So I don't want to trade them. So I'm just looking at BTC and gold. So if I see anything contrary to what I've shown you guys, I'll kindly let you guys know. So this is all I am seeing right now in the market. This is all I am seeing right now in the market. More buys on BTC to around 82k, BTC to 83k. But first, from here now, we are buying to at least $78,000. But overall structure is bearish. But right now, buyers are holding the market, and you can see the very beautiful buy it has been buying from here. I saw this when it was buying here. I saw the whole buys, but it was during that war period, so I was just playing safe. This is the fair value gap. You guys know that I trade fair value gap a whole lot, and this was another fair value gap here for second entry. You see how beautiful it's just giving the fair value gap. This is something that if I see, I'm gonna trade. This is another fair value gap here again. Then it give a tiny fair value gap here on the lower time frame. If we go down there for this is where we entered our own buys. You see how it has been respecting each of the fair value gap, and I expect it to come down here. I don't think it's going to come down here around 70k again because we have broken out. Look at what I'm showing you guys. We have broken out of a range. There's a particular range we have been ranging for a while now. You see this particular range. You see that we have broken out of the range. So it's a retest of the range coupled with FVG and straight to $82,000. That's what we are doing here on BTC now. So BTC will see more buys, so look for more buys on Bitcoin. I'll share entry once our entry has triggered, so look for more buy on Bitcoin. For now, I'm also still bullish on gold. I'll be looking for buys on gold for now. As long as the daily fair value gap has not been validated, I'll be looking for buys. I still expect gold to around 5,250 per ounce. I still expect good there. So this is the only two clean setup I'm seeing currently in the market. Aside that, I'm not really taking anything else in the market. So if you are in my Telegram channel, you see that it's only just Bitcoin and gold we have traded this week back to back and made money from it too. So currency pairs are behaving sluggishly or anyhow, so I'm not looking at them. Currently, just looking at Bitcoin and gold for now. So I think that's all I have to share with you guys, and that will be all. If you guys if you want me to check any pair for you, you can just let me know in the comment section. Tell me the name of the pair. I'll check it right away for you guys. I'm waiting. I'm just looking at only BTC and gold, and I'm bullish on both, but I'm more bullish on BTC to around 83k zone. So if you have any pair you want me to check for you guys, please just tell me the name of the pair in the chat box, and I'm gonna quickly check it for you guys. Because if there's no other pair to check, this is a beautiful. You guys should not miss this buy on BTC. You see the way it's breaking boundaries and giving. So I'll take a very good buys here at around 72,197, and probably like 1% risk there. Then also 1% risk here if it should come here at around 7,400. I don't think it's going to break below here. If it breaks below here, then we are going to dump very hard. So I expect this place to hold. So guys, hop on Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin to 78k and $83,000, guys. Let's go. Let's buy Bitcoin. We'll start shorting from around $84,000. I give the analysis in my Telegram channel for since the year started. So yeah. Aside that, there's nothing else I'm seeing in the markets. Like I predicted, I still see more buys on gold. I still see gold buying from here. Still see it buying from here. Many people are selling gold, but trust me, I still see gold buying. This is the 2-hour time frame. As you can see on the 2-hour time frame, it's currently bouncing from a 2-hour fair value gap here. This fair value gap below here is the daily fair value gap, and the 2 hours fair value gap. We are in the 2-hour fair value gap now, and the 2-hour fair value gap is still holding. I expect to see gold shoot from here to around 250k zone here before probably dumping. I don't know, but I expect it. If it doesn't dump from that place, then we'll continue more buys upward. So this is what I'm seeing on gold currently. I won't be with those people that are shorting gold right now. I won't be with them. So this is what I'm currently seeing on gold right now. So we'll keep looking for buys. I'll see what Asia section has for us. If we are going to buy, then I'll send you more buy signals in the channel. Let's see if we are going to make money from it tonight. So in the absence of nobody asking me or telling me what pair to check for them, I'll call it a night here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We have a live stream tomorrow again, and thanks for joining. God bless you. So bullish on Bitcoin, I'm bullish on gold. Don't forget, go and look for buys on gold. I'm bullish on, don't join those people that are selling gold. Let's look for buys on gold. I think buys will be more safer. This is what I'm seeing on the buys. I'll see what Asian section have for us. Then I think we'll still see more buys on gold. I'll keep you guys posted. So that'll be all for now. Thank you all for joining my live. Good night and have a profitable week ahead. God bless you.